Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular products in the microphone industry. On the left side of the screen, we have the Blue Yeti USB cable, and on the right side, we have the Rode NT1. Let's dive into the comparison and see which one comes out on top. But before we start, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Now, let's get started with the comparison. When it comes to compatibility, the Blue Yeti USB cable is specifically designed for Blue Yeti recording microphones, including Blue Yeti and Blue Yeti Pro USB microphones. On the other hand, the Rode NT1 features an XLR USB output, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. If you value fast charging, then the Blue Yeti USB cable has you covered. With premium wires and an extra long length, this USB cable charges your Blue Yeti microphone 20% to 50% faster than regular USB cables. Please note that charging speed may vary depending on the device you are using. Unfortunately, the Rode NT1 does not come with a USB cable for charging. Both the Blue Yeti USB cable and the Rode NT1 are built to last. The Blue Yeti USB cable is made with high-gauge low-impedance wire and high-quality PVC material, providing optimum protection. It has undergone 10,000-plus bending tests to ensure durability. On the other hand, the Rode NT1 is known for its solid build quality and long-lasting performance. If you need that extra reach, the Blue Yeti USB cable is the winner here. With a length of 6.6 feet, it provides flexibility and convenience, allowing you to connect your Blue Yeti microphone even when you are far away from the power outlet. However, the Rode NT1 does not come with a USB cable, so keep that in mind if length is important to you. And that concludes our comparison between the Blue Yeti USB cable and the Rode NT1. Both products have their strengths, and it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.